We all remember how Fauci and the public health establishment early on in the pandemic said that masks were useless against airborne viruses. That information was, surprisingly, correct. Every single pre-pandemic study on masks, dating all the way back to the Spanish flu of 1918, showed that masks don't work. A study from May 2020, after the pandemic started, but before the politics of masks, also showed that masks, as well as hand sanitizer, were completely useless. And it doesn't take a genius to understand why. Viruses such as COVID-19 are very, very small, about 100 nanometers. A nanometer is 1/1000th of a meter. By comparison, the width of a human hair averages about 100,000 nanometers. Unsurprisingly, the COVID virus is not visible, not even when using the best optical microscopes. The only way we can see the COVID virus is by using an electron microscope, which technically isn't actually seeing it. Instead, what happens is that the electron microscope shoots electrons at a target, and based on the reflection patterns, an image is rendered. No cloth or surgical mask is going to capture such tiny objects. In fact, surgical masks were designed to deal with splatter during medical procedures to prevent a surgeon's saliva from getting into an open wound. They were never meant to block airborne viruses. They can't.